Okay, ready. Kelly, sit properly. Everybody will see this. Number one, do you feel lonely?
No, I don't feel lonely. I have many friends.
Do you like sports?
No,
No,
I don't like sports.
How's your health?
It's
Where do you live?
I live in Thailand.
You live in?
I live in Thailand.
Do you eat quickly? Do you eat quickly?
No, I don't eat quickly. I
Yes. Come on. You eat?
I'll continue. I eat slowly.
Okay. Next one. Where? Where's my computer? Okay. What about the test?
It's bad.
It's bad. You got a bad grade. Okay. How are you today?
Fine.
I'm fine. Again. I'm good. Okay. Can you drive a car?
No, because I'm too young.
Okay. What is your weight?
Wait.
What is your weight? What is your weight? Come on, come on, two more questions.
Wait.
How heavy are you? How many kilograms?
40.
Okay. Do you like studying?
No, I don't like studying.
Okay, and that's Kelly for you.